Actually, the reason why some soap makers are still experiencing soap separation and other related challenges during soap production is because of inaccurate chemicals measurements, using chemicals wrongly. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to get the right specific gravity of lye solution for a quality bar soap using hydrometer and even without hydrometer. So if you do not have hydrometer, I'm going to teach you how to get it right. And if this is something you wish to know, kindly watch this video to the end so you won't miss out on any vital information. So see you in class. Hello guys, you're welcome to class. Now let's quickly look at the needed items. Over here I have my hand glove. I have a digital scale. So you need a hand glove, you need a digital scale, hydrometer. And if you do not have hydrometer, there's no problem. I'm going to teach you how to get it without hydrometer. You need some water. You need a spatula for mixing. And lastly, you need your caustic soda. Okay, so let's get started. I'm starting with the first method, which is with hydrometer. So with this very method, I do not need a digital scale. All you need to do is to get a clean container. Go ahead and fill the container with a clean water, depending on the quantity of lye solution you need for your soap production. It could be 250 ml of water, it could be 1 liter of water, or even 5 liters of water if you are making a large batch. So the quantity of water or the quantity of lye solution needed will determine the quantity of water. Then go ahead and stir in your caustic soda little by little, just like what I'm doing now. As you can see, I've stirred in my caustic soda. I'll continue to stir it and leave it for a few minutes for the solution to become clear and transparent. And even if the solution is not clear, you can still go ahead and check the specific gravity, provided you can capture the reading. So carefully insert your hydrometer. However, if the surface of the solution is above 1275, which is the ideal specific gravity, there is need for additional caustic soda, because this implies that the solution is less potent and can lead to soap separation. So there is need for additional caustic soda to get the specific gravity of lye solution for a quality bar soap. So add your caustic soda and keep checking until the surface of the liquid or the surface of the solution is exactly on 1275. And on the other hand, if the surface of the solution is below 1275, this implies that the solution is highly concentrated. So there is need for additional water, because using it this way might make your soap to be too harsh on the skin, or you might end up not having an ideal soap batch. So take note. I really have to carry you people along because you are the reason I'm making this video. This is exactly 1275. If only the camera can capture it very well, this is exactly 1275. So I believe with this short explanation, I've been able to show you how to get it right with your hydrometer. So do let me know in the comment section. Now let's look at the second method. But before we proceed, if you have watched this video to this very point, kindly like this video, give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can show it to other people. Thank you so much as you do so. Let's continue. This second method is how to take the specific gravity of lye solution without hydrometer. So in this method, you need your scale, If you do not have a scale, you can take the measurements of the chemicals or your lye from the chemical depot, and you also need your calibrated cup. So to get the specific gravity of a lye solution without using hydrometer, you need to measure out 180 grams of lye, 180 grams of caustic soda, dissolve it in 500 ml of water, 500 ml of water. As earlier said, the quantity of lye solution needed will determine the quantity of water to use. So if you are making more than 500 ml of lye solution, you need to multiply this by 2 or 3 depending on the quantity you want for your soap production. So go ahead and measure out your caustic soda, which is 180 grams, and also measure out your water, which is 500 ml, and then dissolve your caustic soda in the water to make your lye solution. As earlier said, the quantity of lye solution needed for your soap production determines the quantity of water. So if you are to make more than 500 ml of lye solution, all you need to do is to multiply this by 2 or 3 depending on how you want it. So I'll go ahead and stir in the caustic soda into the water. As it is now, if you are to measure it, you find out that you have exactly the specific gravity of a ideal lye solution, which is 1275. 1275. So it's as simple as that. So to make your homemade soap, you do not have any excuse. Do not say I cannot make my homemade soap because I do not have hydrometer. If you do not have hydrometer, go ahead and use the second method. And if you have been getting it wrong, from now on, go ahead and get it right with this method. So carefully watch the video and follow every step. Now, for the benefit of doubts, to confirm how true this second method is, I'll go ahead and it with my hydrometer. Don't forget the second method, I dissolve 180 grams of caustic soda in 500 ml of water to get this. So this is exactly 1275, just like the first method. So either ways, you are going to get the same specific gravity of lye solution for a quality bar soap. I hope you can see. Now I'll go ahead and mix the first method I made and the second one together for future use. So with this, we have come to the end of today's class on how to take the specific gravity of lye solution with hydrometer, or using hydrometer and without hydrometer. So thank you for being part of this class. See you in my next video, and bye for now.